umaga.
Okay, so thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, so my greetings to one and all and everyone who is around here today. Of course, our Barangay Chairman, our officials coming from the barangay, and of course, our parents and our teachers and our students. So, that's really Nestor, the President of Litsaay, and the rest of the officers of Litsaay invited me to be with them this morning. So I was hesitant a while ago in coming here because of my feeling of my health condition. Mas physical ako, parang start going up. And it's good that we're done with a personal action. We're done dealing with those that were in the office already in the morning. I was able to go out, but we will be going back because I know that there will be some people will be going there because I announced that I will be doing the personal action prayer tomorrow. So first and foremost, people would understand kay Jerry. So I was asking Jerry how many years is sister. He said, 6 na taon na daw. At ganito yung kanilang scenario palagi. Kailangan ko mainit, pero kung umulan, baha at walang klase. Pag bumaba, walang klase. May klase. Okay. Kasi pag palaging ganito at palaging sinususpend ang klase, anong mangyayari sa mga bata? Sa learners nila. So, yung day, kung siguro high school, sabihin nila ngayon na what happened to the graduates of the position of high school? Lalo na in their reading abilities, if they are really leaders on their level. Kasi isang makikuhan dyan, yung reading. But anyway, you're already high school, so sa elementary, and I know na pag-start na tayo, alam nyo na yung techniques, no? How to connect letters or sounds. Then you can really read the word and you can basically read the whole book. But the problem now is the comprehension. So it will affect the abilities of our students kung palagi tayo suspend ng klase. But I also learned tayo sa sitwasyon nila pinamahal. Kasi parang na-based in siya. Hindi natin siya pwedeng mag-iwan dito ba? Mapunta kasi tininan ko.
Mataas.
Rice field siya. May rice field doon. Pero sabi ni Kap, parang naganyan siya, parang na-basic, parang kung mag-urmok, pero ang urmok, it came from the word ukmuk. Kasi nasa ilan, nasa ano siya, na-basic siya doon. Pag nandiyan ka sa limakan, o si Mara, nakikita mo yung urmok, delikado siya, lalo na overload.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Take that down. So, delikado siya sa bahay. Kaya nga, pinahan kami noon, di ba? Na landslide na kami dyan, at maraming namatay na ikasan. So, this same matter,
Bluetooth connected.
pero, nakaganyan siya. Pero according to Kap, may plano na si Mayor Sandy. No, baka, in-take na lang. And maybe they will start from the back. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng ilibig mo na naman yung push-button para i-eliminate mo yung classrooms. So once we eliminate the classrooms, talagang di ba? Makasok ka ng tubig. But, si Jerry, taga dito ka ba? Taga here. But I told Nestor, since you've been 6 years here na as a student, this is too soon. Kasi order, 5 years na ang maximum natin. Ha? But still the same, will be within your municipality or maybe district kung meron. Check na lang natin kung sino yung mga 5 years na or certificate order yun. And another na nakita ko, wala pala siyang MOE. Kasi hindi ka pa, wala ka pa mag-school ID. Bakit? Kaya baguhin nyo. Dapat makuha ko yung MOE mo. Hindi pwede yun, nabibigyan lang kayo dito ng mga supplies. Dapat, anong sa'yo, dapat ibigay sa'yo. Ilan ang estudyante, ilan ang guro, ilan ang classrooms, dapat may computation yun. At kaya mo, ibigay sa'yo lahat yun. Hindi yun na ikaw mag-request lang para sa mga supplies. Kaya hindi ka maka-project dito. O, tingnan mo, yung inyong roofing, walang painting. Kumbaga, there's no sign of any project that is being implemented in this school that has been existing for 6 years. Pero, malinis siya, hindi mo yung kalinisan niya kasi malinis naman siya. So, what I mean, kung may MOE ka, or then ang DTA can also help you kasi hindi naman ang DTA yung MOE natin, you can do mga projects, ang mga needs aking mga estudyante. So yung water mo na yan, saan yan galing? Ito na talaga sa water system. Ito ko may mga dito naman. Nagkalinya na kayo. So aside from the jetmatic, meron kayong bomba, may motor, at meron kayong water na galing na talaga sa linya ng water dito. Ano na ito? Nagripo. Adik well pa rin yan. Wala pa ng tubig ng beer. Na sabihin na natin, yung